Having a website for your small business increases its credibility. But most people think that building a website for their kitchen supply store is going to be complicated and it's going to be expensive as well. But today I'm going to be showing you that's definitely not the case. You can build a simple and affordable website on the Marti Sites platform. Now, if you haven't heard of Marti Sites before, welcome to our YouTube channel. We pretty much built the platform to remove all the barriers for small businesses, solopreneurs, people with various side hustles, so they can have a professional, effective, and easy to update website for only $9 a month. There is a free trial available for 7 days. No credit card details are needed. So be sure to click on the link below this video to start that free trial. Once you've registered an account, the first thing it's going to ask you to do to create your website is to search for your markets. We've got hundreds of different markets to choose from for various small businesses. We are adding more markets every single week. Let's head to the top and search for our market, kitchen, supply store. There it is over there. I'm now going to go ahead and select that option. Great, let's start Marti Sites a few basic details about our business so it can generate a simple website for us. Pop in your business name, your city, your state or region. Doesn't matter where in the world you're operating from, you can enjoy the Marti Sites service. We have happy users from all around the globe. Once you click on continue, Marti Sites will automatically bring up this pop-up showing you how to customize your new website in under 30 seconds. Don't worry about that for now because today I'm going to be the one to show you the ropes. Now, the beauty of Marti Sites is we've actually pre-written all the content for you as a guideline, of course. We've also pre-selected all the images as well. They're all really high quality. They're also completely free for you to use as well. However, I'm sure you've got some of your own images you'd like to showcase on your website of the various different products, kitchen supply products you have in your store, and you want to showcase them on your website. Maybe you want to make 1 or 2 amendments to this content. Perhaps you don't offer all these products and you want to change it up a bit. You can absolutely do that. It's super simple. You don't need to know any coding, be a web professional in any kind of way. And you certainly don't need to hire a professional to help you with this either. You can literally do it all yourself. So let me get started. Let's show you the ropes today. I'm going to go ahead and click on the first section at the top. Over here, I want to put in my email address so for my customers' convenience. Let's make sure that that box is ticked to display the email address. Phone number is click to call. And physical location, when your website's live, your customers can actually click on that address and be taken directly to Google Maps for directions to your kitchen supply store. Underneath, update social links, put in the various social media platforms your business is active on. Icons will be displayed at the top as well as at the bottom of your website. If you have a business logo, head on over to the next section to upload it. To make minor amendments to that logo, you can click on that little pencil to crop it, rotate it, add filters or frames. Otherwise, here on the right is where you can resize your logo by making it bigger and smaller to fit into that section a little bit better. Now, if you'd like to change the colors used throughout your Marti Sites website, you do not need to know color coding at all. All you need to do is click on that paint bucket bottom right hand corner, go through the various color palette options available for you to use. Awesome. Now, for each section that you'd like to change it up a bit, make it a bit more personalized and suited to your business, all you need to do is click on update section. Underneath update images where you can change those images, you can upload your own or search through the photo library. There's literally hundreds of free high quality images to choose from. You also have the option to connect your Instagram account with a click of a button, automatically pull in those photos if you have a business profile on Instagram. Underneath update action, we have the call to action buttons. Change the text on those buttons and where they're linked to. You can even upload a PDF file. And the last section is where you can put in your opening hours for your business. Head on over to update hours, put in the various opening hours for each day of the week. Once you click on save, the page will automatically reload after saving and display all your opening hours in this last section at the bottom. Now, if you have a custom domain for your business, you can connect it. That is super simple as well. Click on that connect your domain button. If you don't have a custom domain yet, we really recommend that you get one to make your website look even more professional, trustworthy, stand out from all your competitors. You can actually purchase a custom domain via the platform as well by clicking on that button, connect your domain to purchase one. I really hope that short tutorial was helpful in building a simple website for your kitchen supply store on the Marti Sites platform, and I'm really wishing you and your business Marti success.